Sully thinks he can do a pull-up.
Try a proper pull-up,
Yeah, I want to try a pull-up first. Let me interview you. Come on. You say you have a girl.
It is so windy.
We're at another park and Sully thinks he can do a pull-up. Last time he couldn't. If you haven't seen that video, it's up here. Oh, Sonny, you're looking a bit swole there.
Hey, how you doing, little mama? Let me whisper in your ear.
Shut up, gay brother.
Alright, call me gay, homophobic bitch. That's, yeah? 2. Oh shit.
Fuck off. Hey, how you doing?
Try a proper pull-up,
I want to try a pull-up first. Oh fuck.
Bro, you fucked it.
I'm just gonna hang that off your gay.
Sully, let me interview you. Come on. So, you say you have a girl. Where'd you meet her?
It's not discussion. No, I don't like being out there.
He met her on Snap. Anyways.
One more. Bruh.
It is so windy. It almost makes me not want to put out a new video.
Hey, so you can't hear me properly, but I'll just show you. That's not meant to be there. That's not. I don't think that's how traffic lights work. That's not it.
Bruh.
My fucking hat. My hat's ruined. Ah, what the fuck? I might die, okay? This is funny. This is the most funniest shit I've been. I'm fighting for my life. I'm literally fighting for my life. Ah, my mask. Wear your fucking mask, alright? Wear your fucking mask. Those fucking ducks over there chilling. I don't even know why I'm out. Honestly, I wanted content and that's why I'm out. They're literally, they're so gangster. What?
Smoke weed every day.
Sky is living into that.
Mr. Blue Sky.
This is funny. I don't care. Okay, I'm behind this bus stop thing. I'm safe. It is so windy. I almost flew away. What is this? Who pissed off Mother Nature? What the fuck? I'm surprised that they didn't close off like the bus system. I can't even get proper camera angles. If I see even one bus fucking rolling, I'm going back inside. Fucking, I'm not even sure it's like the new video. I'm not even sure if that's gonna come up. That's how windy it is. The sun is out in a way. Look at those swans. What are they called? They don't care. This is scary, but like in a nice way. Like this is exciting. Bro, imagine I'm walking to the cafe and I start flying out of nowhere. Like the first thing I'll do is go on Instagram Live. Should definitely go follow me there. Alright, my bus is here. Okay, so I'm in this cafe. My plan was to get some work done, study. My dumb self forgot the charger for my laptop. So now I have to go back. If I start flying this time, then that's the reason why I didn't upload. So I just hopped off the bus. I don't think it's not as windy as it was before.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Alright, I should have said that. It's getting very windy. Nice. Almost, my hat flew off again. I didn't catch that on camera. This is alright. I got the charger, finally. Alright, here it comes. Oh god, yeah. Okay. Yeah!
Mr. Blue Sky, tell us why you had to hide away for so long.
Alright, my bus is here, bye. I'm recording again. I really hope that